Oh my god, really?
You too are worried about your penis size? Just do masturbate on your worry about all this thing and just wake the hell up, because there is nothing to be worried. There is nothing to be worried. Guys, this video is gonna be very exciting for all of us. Why? Because deep down, not that deep down, but deep down, everyone worry about their penis size. Okay? Because me too, I was being worried. So that's why I decided to make this video, just to clear all of your confusion. There is nothing about that. So just buckle up.
Buckle up for safety, always buckle up.
And please try to focus on what I'm gonna say. Statistically speaking, the average erect penis size is 5.5 to 6 inches in length, and the girth will be 5 inches. And the flaccid penis, the average flaccid penis, or I can say soft penis, or as we all boyfriend, we are told by our girlfriend that baby is sleeping. So that sleeping baby means penis in sleeping position. That sleeping dick will be 3 inches to 3.5 inches, and the girth will be almost as roughly same. And you can measure your dick size with any scale. So that happened. A small introduction about penis size. As has been said, the average dick size is 3 inches and the erect one will be 5.5 to 6 inches. So as long as you got that size, no need to worry. Okay, and let's first talk about that, how this confusion came in our mind. Okay, first of all, as much as we think of it, girl don't. Okay, trust me, girl don't think of dick size. Openly I'm saying, okay, except few. Okay, how this doubt came in us that we got a small dick, how we got this confusion or how we got this doubt. Do you know that? Okay, just by looking at those porn dick, okay, those motherfucker fake dick. Okay, I call it fake dick. Why? Because those been injected, those been surgery. So that's what I'm saying, as a girl with fake tits, man with fake dick. That's all I'm saying. So no need to worry and no need to have complex about those big dick. Okay, by looking at those big junk in movie. Really, we don't need to have that big dick to satisfy a girl. Okay, so just by looking at porn, we have gotten that much doubt, that much complex. So when we go to girl, deep down we think that, yeah, when first time we will take our dick out, then what she will think. Okay, or will she approve our dick size, or will she like it? Okay, so that's so many things come in our mind, and when those doubts come in our mind, usually we can perform good. We don't even perform that good even. You know what I'm saying? Because sex is a more of a mind game and less of a physical game. So you need to understand, as long as you are not completely focused on that moment, you won't be performing good. Okay, and sex has nothing to do with your dick size. Okay, sort of, but not completely. Sex has nothing to do with dick size. Okay, so you need to be completely focused on that moment. When when you trying to make a score, you have to be completely focused. And when you will be thinking that, yeah, my dick is small, will she approve or not? Okay, when all these doubts, thoughts, complex come in your mind, so trust me, you cannot perform good. Okay, you cannot perform good. So many survey has been done on lots of women, lots of girls. They really don't need extra dick size than average. Okay, what they need, what their desire and what their requirement is, we already have it. As I told you, the average dick size is erect one 5.5 inches to 6. Okay, we all got it, Just take a scale and measure your dick or penis. As long as you have 5.5 inches, that's enough. That's completely enough. Okay, no need to worry about your dick size, worry about your stamina, worry about your skill, worry about how to play with body and all this thing, but don't worry about your dick size. Okay, first. Second, all those video you have seen in YouTube, girls saying that I need 7 inches dick or 9 inches dick, trust me, those are not girls, those are motherfucker prostitute. Okay, just leave them to die. Okay, leave them have bamboo in their pussy. Okay, just cause of few girl, don't be in doubt. Okay, because 98% of world population in man, they have average dick, and 98% of women, they need as average dick. okay? So you don't need to be worried, okay? Hardly in life you will find some woman in your life which will be prostitute. They will be prostitute who will be saying that yeah, your dick is not long enough. Otherwise 98% of world population in girl, they need average dick size, and men, they got average dick size. So completely be happy. No need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. Trust me. Me also, when I was a kid, when I was a teenager, I spent lots of time thinking that, you know, when I'll be grown up, when I'll have money, then I'll do surgery, I'll make my dick 9 inches. But trust me, it's a waste of time. Don't think of it. Trust me, you got enough. You got enough. So I will strongly recommend you to stop watching instantly those African porn where you see those big dick. I'll say it's physical disorder, you know. I don't see that yeah, we should be having that much big dick, you know. For usually living, that's not good, you know. We need to have that much strength to lift that dick, you know. All I'm saying, so don't be complex by watching all those porn. That's not good for mental health. Sex is a more of a mental game than physical. So all those men who have doubt that yeah, their dick is soft, it's not hard enough, okay? And those who don't get sex by seeing their wife, I need to say only one thing to boy, even to girl, that why do you think that when you see porn you get sex, but when you stay with your wife or girlfriend you don't feel sex? Because life is all about, you need to have some excitement, you know. So try to do some changes, okay? Say to your girl or say to your wife, whatever, okay, whatever it is, say to them to bring some changes, okay? Just do some experiment with clothes, do some foreplay and do all this thing, and trust me, you will see how excited your life will be, sex wise I'm saying. That's how it is, okay? Sex is a completely mental game, okay? All those men who have doubt, they have erection problem, start watching porn and see how your dick get hard. And if your dick is being hard with that porn, that means it's not physical, because when you see porn you completely focused over there, but when you stay with wife or girl you ain't focused, right? So that's what I'm saying, be focused. Yes guys, so I hope you understood that there is no need to worry about dick size, because we all got same dick size. No need to flaunt in front of anyone and no need to mock down anyone, because we all got same. Body doesn't influence the dick size, understood? Okay, someone can be tall but that banana will be short, or someone can be short and that banana will be long. So girls, don't go on height, and boy, you too, don't go on that African dick size, because they are lie, just simply, okay? We all got same dick size, okay? So just, we got so many other tension to think of, okay? Don't think of this, we all got average dick size. Just be happy and just chill out.